What up, good people? Back with today's reflection. In today's reflection, I want to talk about identity theft. And not the identity theft that we normally think about, far as, your social security and things of that nature. I want to talk about identity theft through technology and like AI. A lot of us get our information from technology, right? It's I won't say it's rare, but book reading is not like it's not the information highway that many of us choose to use nowadays. The information highway is normally the internet, the worldwide globe. And that's fine, you know what I'm saying? But I think with a lot of us, we don't understand about algorithms, I like to equate the algorithm on your phone to like going into your favorite restaurant or your favorite diner, right? The more you frequent that diner, the more you get to know the wait staff, the cooks, even the management, sometimes even other patrons, right? You start speaking on first name basis. They already know what you're going to order. They already know how you like your food cooked, how you want your coffee, how many packs of sugar, how many creams. Like they know you because you are there all the time. And that's how our phones have become. And some of us think that, we learning new things by staying, getting all the information on our phones. But it's just giving you information that you already know. It may change it up every now and then, but because of the algorithm, whatever you search the most, that's what it's going to feed you. And so if you're not going to outside sources that don't know you, like a book, like the Bible, just other people that you may not even know, strangers, just having a conversation with strangers. If you're not using those different sources to get information, then you're just going to be using the same recycled algorithm from your phone. And that could be detrimental, man, to what you can learn or staying inside a box. And I also like to equate, our phones becoming like a slot machine. We've got so addicted to our phones, it's just like a slot machine. Instead of us pulling the lever down, this is where we pull the lever, and we just looking for that jackpot of dopamine. And so, short story, we got to get off these phones.